Hello everyone, my name's Alex Webb and I'm the Systems Manager for Comensura. I'm here today to give you a demonstration of the bulk timesheet import. This functionality allows you to complete a spreadsheet and import thousands of timesheets at a click of a button. So here you can see I'm logged in as a supplier on our test site. So to access the bulk timesheet import, I go to Timesheets, click on the bulk import tab, and I'll have a number of options. So the first thing I want to do is export the data for me to complete the spreadsheet in. So if I click on the export, I can choose one-to-many branches. I'm going to leave this on all, and I can choose one-to-many customers. So I can leave this on all to extract all of the customers for all the timesheets I need to complete, or I can simply type the few letters of a customer to pick one. I'm going to leave this on all, and then simply choose the week ending from. So I'm going to do last week, and I'm only going to do for a single week. If I wanted a bigger range, I could change my week ending from, move that back, and export multiple week endings. Then I simply click export. This will generate an Excel file which will appear at the bottom of the page. This only takes a few moments. As you can see, the file's now appeared. I simply click on the file and open it. This is what the file looks like. It shows you the week ending, the workers, the branches where they're working from, the customer, the hiring manager, job title, location, all the details of your booking. If I scroll to the right, it will then show me the available hours types. And it will also show me whether or not AWR is applicable. So if AWR is applicable, I need to fill in the hours types that are prefixed with AWR. So this worker is AWR applicable. I'm now going to fill in his hours. So for Monday, he worked 8 hours. And then on Tuesday, he worked 7 hours and 30 minutes, which is 7.5 hours. So I'd enter 7.5. Then complete all of the lines that I need to fill in. Any lines that I don't need to complete or I don't have any hours to enter, I simply leave blank and the import will ignore them. Once I'm ready, I'll save this file to a folder of your choosing. I go back to the bulk import page and choose the import option. Find my file. And then import. And then that will put my import into the queue. You can see here's the bulk ID number, when I loaded it up, and what queue position it is. This will only take a few moments. And once it's run, you'll get a report back of what has happened with that file. So for example, if I choose my filters here, you will show completed, which means all lines were completed. I haven't got any of those. Or what you'll find most is completed with failures. So it will show you how many you requested, how many you created, and how many failed. And if I click on it, I can export the details of that to see what's happened with my file. And the reason you get complete with failures is for a number of reasons, which I'm going to flash up now. So firstly, this must be greater than 0. It means you didn't enter anything against that row. You can simply ignore it. A duplicate timesheet already exists, means a timesheet has already been imported or uploaded by someone else since you ran this file. This one means that you've actually entered against the wrong type. So if you were supposed to enter it against AWR, but you entered it against standard or vice versa. Error in the day means you may have typed a letter. You may have put L rather than 8. And then finally, cost code is not attached to the booking or active. The first one you can ignore. This one means somebody's already done it, so you might want to check that particular timesheet. These two you just need to resolve on your file, save it, and then re-import it. And then the final one, you need to contact Comensura, and they'll be able to assist you with that. Hope you've enjoyed this demonstration today. Thank you for your time.